Hey guys, so I posted this fun, colorful, glittery look on Instagram and Facebook the other day and got several requests to do a tutorial, so ask and you shall receive. First we're going to start off with Bahamas, which is the bright pink shade in the Anastasia Beverly Riviera palette. We're going to take that on a ABH Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 6 brush. Now here I realized that I used tape for a nice crisp line in the original look, so I'm going to go ahead and do that again. Okay, tape is down. Now I'm going to go ahead and just blend this pink in the crease. This pink is pretty pigmented, so I started off with a light hand and then just went back and added more color to it. Also, I primed my eyes and I did not set the primer. I do not set my eye primer ever unless I'm doing like something simple and neutral, but for all my colorful looks, it's a tacky base. Now we're just going to take the purple shade in the Riviera palette. I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, so I'm not going to. This is a ABH Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 8 brush, and we're just going to take that lower in the crease. And per usual, Minda decided to make an appearance and say hi to everybody. You really want to make sure you focus this color lower and don't bring it too high up. And just as with the pink, you want to go in with just little bits at a time and build the color up slowly. Once you've got that purple laid down, just go back in with the brush you used the pink on and blend that edge out a little more. Add some color back to it if you need to. When doing colorful looks like this, I always find it easiest to just do baby steps, go back and forth to get the blend right. It takes patience, but it works out. Next, I'm going to take some Tarte Shape Tape and Fair Neutral to cut my crease. The brush I'm using is just a cheap one I got on AliExpress. I don't even know if I can link it anymore because I bought it forever ago. Just take your time cutting your crease. I did want this a little more winged out at the end. Don't worry if it looks a little messy and the concealer's not blended out very well, it's just going to get covered up here in a minute. Now I'm just going to go into the ABH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette and use this lime green shade. We're going to cover this up with glitter, but sometimes when I'm doing a large area of glitter, I like to go in with a similar colored base underneath so that if any of the glitter falls off, it's not so obvious. This brush is just a cheap little Morphe brush that came in a set. Just any flat brush will do. Again, the color doesn't have to be perfectly even. We're just going to cover it up with glitter, but sometimes it's nice to have the same colored base underneath, like I said, just in case something happens and you lose some glitter. Next, we're going to go in with the NYX Cosmetics Glitter Primer. This is my favorite glitter base. I'm just going in with a flat brush I got at the craft store, nothing special. Now I'm going to go in with a J-Cat Beauty Sparkling Powder. This is in the shade Poppin' Lime. When applying glitter, I like to work in small sections just so that the base doesn't dry too much while I'm trying to work. I would definitely suggest doing your eyes before your foundation when you're using glitter because you're gonna have fallout. It's just pretty inevitable with glitter. Also, if you get it in your eyelashes, taking a clean spoolie before you go in with mascara will help a lot. Now I'm just going to go back in with those brushes I used before and do a little touch up in the crease, add color where it needs it, do a little more blending, etc. And once I'm happy with it, I'm going to peel off the tape and clean up my under eyes and finish the rest of my face. And we're done. For my under eye, I just took the pink and purple from the Riviera palette. These lashes are just some I found in my drawer, so I have no idea what they are. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I hope this was helpful.